Hey everyone, welcome. If you're dealing with tight or achy shoulders, the short yoga flow will help reduce tension and improve mobility. If you sit at a desk all day or like me, lean forward over my patients, or just have a stiff neck, this will help reduce tension and bring relief. No equipment needed. If you have a block and want to use it, you can. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button down below so you never miss a new yoga flow. And let's get started. Let's start here in a seated position and gently tilt your head to your right ear towards your shoulders. Keep your shoulders relaxed and feel the stretch alongside your neck. Placing your hand lightly on your head for a deeper stretch. And hold here for a few breaths. Go ahead and switch sides, placing your opposite hand on your head and gently feel that stretch alongside your neck and shoulders. This releases tension in the upper trapezius and side of the neck muscles. Now let's open up the shoulders with eagle arms. Lift your arms up and forward. Cross your right arm over your left and wrap them together. Lift your elbows slightly and feel the stretch between your shoulder blades. And breathe into it. Keep your elbows lifted, and you can gently move your arms up and down, almost like you're massaging your spine. And release. Switch sides, lifting your arms up and over, twisting like ropes, palms placed together, pressing. Lift your elbows and breathe. Eagle arms opens up the shoulders and upper back. Moving into thread the needle, come to hands and knees. And you can stay here for a couple cat-cows. Look up and lift your spine as you gaze towards your navel. Lift up and down. Lift your arm up and slide through your underarm, resting your shoulder and head on the mat. This is such a great stretch for the upper back and shoulders. Walk your fingers towards the front of the room.
Keep your hips lifted and hold here for a few breaths. Come up as you switch sides, lifting your left arm under your right, resting your shoulder and your head on the mat. Walk your fingertips towards the front of the room. Keep your hips lifted. This stretches the upper back, shoulders, and rotator cuff muscles. Keep breathing. Come to a seated position for cow face arms. Reach your right arm up and bend your elbows, placing your hand behind your back. Reach your left arm down and back. Try to clasp your hands. If they don't touch, no worries. Just hold what's comfortable. This improves shoulder mobility. Keep breathing. Keep your elbow up towards the sky. And switch sides. Reach your left arm up and over, clasping your hands together. If your hands don't clasp together, you can use a towel. Keep your spine straight, hips grounded. This will help relieve that tightness that we feel in our shoulders. Keep breathing. Come to all fours again. And walk your hands forward for puppy pose. Lower your chest towards the mat. Keep your hips high and feel the stretch in your shoulders and upper back. Take a few deep breaths here. Puppy pose is a deep chest and shoulder stretching, relieving tightness. You can walk your fingertips towards the front of the room for a deeper stretch. Let's transition to downward dog. Press into your hands as you lift your hips and keep your shoulders active but relaxed. Walk your dog, pedal your feet back and forth. Press your chest towards your thighs. Downward dog may look different for everyone. It's okay if your heels don't press into your mat, they can stay lifted. This stretch lengthens your spine and releases tension in the shoulders. This is a dynamic stretch that will help the shoulders. Come down to all fours and lay down on your back into supported fish pose. Come down to your forearms, lift your chest, and melt into your mat, keeping your legs together. Lower your head down where it feels comfortable. If you want to use a block, you can set it between your shoulder blades and melt into the ground. This counteracts hunching, and it feels amazing. Keep breathing. We'll stay in this pose for a couple minutes. Lift yourself up carefully. You can move your block over and come all the way down to Savasana. And settle in. Let your arms rest comfortably. And take a few slow, deep breaths. Feel your shoulders relax completely and just let go. Feel your eyes relax, your jaw relax, your shoulders, your hip bones, your thighs. Feel your knees relax, your calf muscles, your ankles, and your toes. Savasana will integrate the practice, allowing muscles to absorb the stretch. Focus on your breath. Start to wiggle your fingers, rotate your wrists, your ankles, move your toes, and side to side, rotate your head. You wake up and come to fetal position. Slowly start to push yourself back up to seated position.
Great job. I hope you feel more open and relaxed. If you found this to be helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more yoga and wellness content. And I would love to know how your shoulders feel. Drop a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.